Experiencing weak Verizon signal? A cell signal booster can help by amplifying existing signals. As of late 2025, here are some top picks for Verizon's 5G network. For the best overall coverage, the SureCall Fusion 5X covers up to 7,500 square feet and supports all Verizon bands. If you need coverage for a large home, consider the WeBoost Home Multi-Room, which covers up to 10,000 square feet. For portable use in vehicles or small spaces, the Wilson Pro 70 Plus is a great option. Finally, for remote areas, the Selfie GeoX is designed to work with Verizon's rural networks. Remember to check FCC certification before purchasing. Cell signal boosters capture weak outdoor signals, amplify them, and rebroadcast them indoors. Key factors include gain measured in dB, coverage area, and compatibility with Verizon's specific bands. Boosters don't create signals, they amplify existing ones, so they won't work in areas with zero signal. Legal use requires FCC certification. With Verizon's 5G expansion, focus on boosters supporting 5G bands. Look for features like auto gain control to prevent overloading the system. Consider sustainability with eco-friendly, solar-powered options.